I'm going to show you 10 perennial herbs that I think every hot climate gardener should grow. Plus, I'll give you 10 tips so you can grow them like a pro. I'm Angela from Growing in the Garden. My garden is in Mesa, Arizona in Zone 9B. I love sharing garden inspiration and helpful tips so you can be successful in your garden too. Lemongrass makes delicious tea and tasty soup. Lemon verbena is so aromatic and I love using it in tea. Stevia is a natural sweetener that's even better when it's organic from your own garden. Bay leaf grows so well here. Look at the size of this plant. Oregano is everyone's favorite. This one's been growing in a container for over 5 years. Mint grows well in a shady spot. This one's coming back after a long hot summer. Sage is easy to grow and a highlight at every Thanksgiving. Lemon balm is an excellent way to add an earthy citrus flavor to lots of dishes. Thyme is my absolute favorite herb. I love using it in everything. Rosemary grows so well. Use it in your landscape and your cooking. Lavender thrives on neglect and rewards you twice a year with fragrant blooms. Here are 10 pro tips that you can use to grow all of these perennial herbs. Number 1, getting started is simple. Plant from transplant in the spring or fall. Number 2, prune herbs lightly and amend with compost each fall and spring. Don't prune and avoid overwatering during the winter and summer. This allows plants to go dormant during the hottest and coldest temperatures. Number 3, although many herbs tolerate full sun, it's a safe bet to choose a location that gets morning sun and afternoon shade. Number 4, good drainage is essential. The quickest way to kill an herb is by letting it rot in soil that doesn't drain. Number 5, all of these herbs grow really well in containers. And containers are probably a good idea for the more invasive herbs like oregano and mint. Number 6, keep an eye on herbs at the end of the season because some herbs like chamomile, dill, fennel, and cilantro produce a large amount of seeds that will spread throughout the garden. Harvest those seed heads before they drop and spread. Number 7, don't over-fertilize herbs. Too much fertilizer promotes lush green growth at the expense of flavor and scent. The herb oils won't be as concentrated. Adding compost twice a year is all the food they need. Number 8, don't overwater. Herbs require less water than vegetables and flowers. The flavor and scent will intensify if you water correctly. Herbs are often killed by too much water. Number 9, harvest often. Picking lightly all over encourages bushy growth, but don't harvest more than 1/3 of the plant at a time. Number 10, of course, many of these herbs are best fresh, but learn different methods to preserve them. I like preserving with freeze drying, dehydrating, and freezing. Makes a great gift, and you always have some to spare. The best thing about growing all of these perennial herbs is you have access to them all year long. Don't forget to use and enjoy them every day. Thank you so much for watching. Add any of these herbs to your garden and you will enjoy them for years. If you would like to learn more, consider joining Growing in the Garden Academy. I teach a live online course every month about seasonal topics, and members have access to recordings of all past classes. Academy members also receive my garden journal, what I'm planting, harvesting, and doing in my garden, delivered to their inbox every 2 weeks. I hope to see you there.